Hey there, Mr. Thayer from the Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship, Grade 3 math lesson for you today. Today is a review lesson. We are going to review lesson 6. Our objective is use fact families and the relationship between multiplication and division to find the unknown. There it is right there. So, we have been practicing multiplication, division, fact families, all that stuff. Today we're going to tie it all together into one big word problem and show how we can solve multiple problems in a statement to find some answers. So basically, again, I go back to that putting puzzle pieces together. We're going to take what we are given, we're going to get piece after piece after piece, and then we're going to be able to solve the problem. Okay? In this case, we have, and some of this I already wrote out, so I wasn't doing it as we were going. So you're going to see some stuff written down here. So we are going to talk about marbles, all right? And I forgot to draw the marble bags on there. Maybe I can sketch them in a second here. All right, let's get this going here. So it says Kenny has 24 marbles. He puts the same number into each of 3 bags. All right, so Kenny has, let me see where I can put this right here. I can put a bag right here, a bag right here, and a bag right here, okay? So we know he has 3 bags, okay? And he has 24 marbles, okay? So Kenny has 24 marbles. He puts them, the same number, into each of 3 bags. Okay, we could attack this many, many different ways, okay? We could take the 24 and we could just count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and put stuff in each bag. But what I like to do here is I want to break down these questions right here and get pieces to the puzzle, things that we need, all right? So first thing first, how many equal groups do we have? So we know, so equal groups refers to how much, what are we putting them into? And we know that we're going to have 3 equal groups. 3 bags, those are going to be our equal groups, okay? So question number 1 is all set. How many equal groups? 3 equal groups. Then it says write a division equation. Okay? So in order to write a division equation, we're going to take what we have, okay, which is we know we have 24 marbles. 24 divided by, which we don't know yet. And we know we have 3 equal bags. Okay? So that's what we're solving for here. 24 divided into how many in each bag will give us 3 bags. So we need to know, we're trying to find how we're going to divide 24. Okay? We want to solve how many are going to be in each bag right there. So we wrote the equation 24 divided by, not sure, equals 3. That's the answer we're looking for, okay? We can also flip that into a multiplication sentence or equation, okay? We know 24 is our total, okay, at the end there. And we know 3 groups times something is going to equal 24, okay? So we set up our equations. We set up a division equation, and we set up a multiplication equation right there. 24 divided by blank equals 3, and 3 times blank equals 24. Okay? Some of you guys might already know. Oh, I know the answer to this. That's easy. I got that. Okay? Awesome. If you are walking through right now and you have it, that's okay. If you're not sure, that's okay too, because what we're going to do is we're going to look at the facts of 3 over here. I wrote those over here. Again, I've been stressing to make sure you guys have scrap paper, okay? So something that's important now is let's write out the facts of 3, okay? We know our 3 is up there. That's kind of telling us to write out our facts of 3. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 7, or 3 times 9 is 27. and 3 times 10 is 30. I like to write those out. Because as I was going, hopefully you guys noticed something. Yep, what did you notice? Yep, right here. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 8 equals 24. Okay? So we can finish that question right there. 3 times 8 is 24. We know that over here. Okay. And we know we know that we can work back and forth with multiplication and division equations to find answers. So if 3 times 8 equals 24, 24 divided by what is going to give us 3? What is our missing factor right there? Yep, you guessed it, 8. 8 is there. So 8 marbles are going to go in each bag. 8 plus 8 plus 8. If we skip counting, we'd get 8, then 16, and then 24. All right? So how many marbles are in each bag? There are 8 marbles in each bag. And we were able to do a division equation and a multiplication equation with both. Okay? See how I did that? I mean, we could go through and we could have taken the 3 bags and we could have just counted out 24 and put 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. We could have done it that way. Sometimes that's easier for us to do. But here we took the equation. We got the pieces that we needed. We looked at the equal groups. We wrote the division equation, the multiplication equation. We didn't solve them yet. We had missing pieces in there. Okay. Then we came over. We did the 3. We went through the factors of 3. And we found one that matched up, that 3 times 8. And then we just plugged everything in. We found that we had 8 in each bag. We also found that 3 times 8 equals 24. And 24 divided by 8 equals 3. Okay? There we go. I know a lot. There's a lot there. There's a lot there. But again, it's one, having confidence, understanding that sometimes there's steps in a process. We're going to work on that. Understanding that, you solve one piece, you get the next piece, and we're good. Using your scrap paper. I've been coming up with this a lot. Use your scrap paper. Write down answers. Put a fact family on the side to kind of help you, okay? You're going to have time to do these. You don't have to rush and get them done. Use what you know and be confident. And we'll keep continuing to give you guys more pieces and to add stuff into kind of your toolbox for math, all right? That's it for Mr. Thayer today. Make sure that you hit the exit ticket, answer your questions, and then I will be providing feedback as they come in. Again, I want to say, Mr. Thayer, see you later. Thanks.